Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in Today I'm in Jacksal. I'm in St. Anne, Jamaica, and it's a vlog day, it's a beach day. I'm here with a couple of friends that are just hanging out in the back. Some gone in the water.
You what? Gone in the water?
I said some.
Oh, some
have gone in the water. I'm not going in the water.
I don't understand.
I'm here for the food and the camaraderie.
Camaraderie is in the water.
No, not right here. No, I'm here now. Get today now. No, going in the water, but we're just here to chill. I have a lip floaty. I'm going in the water and I guess how.
You are?
Yeah, I have this lip floaty. So I need a drone shot.
So also you need a drone shot. That's the only reason you're in the water.
What a lip floaty.
Got you. No criticism, nothing.
I'm just saying.
Do it for the gram, girl.
I'm just saying.
The last time I did it for the gun and nearly died over there. Okay?
Yeah?
No.
Since I'm already there.
So, just a chill vibe, you know. One of those days, stopped at Scotch's, which is a jerk center before I got here. So I just finished eating jerk chicken and thing. So my belly full, and now I just relaxing until time to go into the water to take my drone picture because I'm not going in otherwise. So I don't know, as I said, just a little chill kind of vibe, you know. I brought games, so we have Ludi board, we have dominoes, cards, Uno, the whole work. So keep watching and you guys will see some of what we have been doing and what we will continue to do. Yeah. So cool. Vlogging, say hi.
Hi,
Tell them who you are.
I'm Kirk from First View Excursion.
From First View Excursion.
Yeah. So just having a regular beach day, just chilling, relaxing, having fun. You should be here.
You should be here. You really should. You should be in the water actually. So I brought this lip floater and I want to go. I want to take it out to the beach, to the water, and blow it up. But the only thing is, I'm not sure how. You think if I just go off, would my mouth be blown? Eh? So how am I going to blow it up? How this blow?
You have to bring her to the gas station or something.
So I have to pump up?
So what you gonna do?
Like
Where you gonna float?
like balloon. Can I blow like balloon?
Can't do that, but if you plan to spend the whole day a blow.
But where? Where you blow from? I think it can blow up by just blowing into it. Like this. You think if I blow into this, it will blow up? How many blows to go? This one? Will it hurt? No blow? Maybe inside the See me for some carry this on my plan fail?
What was the plan?
To take it in the water and to get a nice drone shot. If this don't work, I'm definitely not gonna do it. blocking it.
Yes, something is blocking it.
Oh.
When you go right there, that's just blocking everything.
That means that there's nowhere for it to go in unless this must come out. Because you see in there, so that's a blockage. And then guess what? The instruction in Japanese. And it says warning, drowning hazard. So we're gonna play Ludo now and we need to find the man them, what do you call them? The men? The things? To play.
We're gonna find some woman under the sun.
So wait, what you gonna use? How many things do you need? You have coins?
I have coins. I'll use coins.
I'll use the tomatoes. Wait, oh you need 4? Yeah. Four things. 4, alright, let me use this, look.
Chex mix.
4 checks. Get 4 stones.
4 small stones.
That's the Ludo board. We're gonna
Why do you think that's
play soon. I also have Uno, guys, the emoji edition, and I have playing cards, the emoji edition. Can you tell I like emojis? And then regular cards.
Maybe it won't blow. Try it. Put it down and see if it will blow.
What on?
The sticks. I think those are.
But I'm too long.
You need to break them again.
Sam, we had to break off that for you? You need 4. You're gonna need 4. Alright, so she's gonna use the top of the sorry bear. Wait, what?
I'm the sea queen.
Yes, she is.
You put the seaweed there?
Yeah.
Queen.
You should have seen me inside.
Wow.
it.
Wow. And you never walk into the water. Look at that.
I'm so happy.
You got a seaweed crown.
I get it.
No.
Come guys, say hi to my vlog.
Oh, walk on.
Wait, we're gonna go to personal. Hello.
We never eat it.
What are those?
We're about to play Ludo.
Oh, thingies.
Thing is, yeah, go on with that.
So we're not doing the double thing.
We're not doing that. We don't know where you get that ruler from.
You've been here all.
Whoa.
No, you lose that.
You lose that jaw. Lose that jaw. Come. Thank you. No, that's the rule.
But actually, I
Alright.
That's crazy.
Hey, 6-1.
1. Then you move one.
Hold on. I want a bond there.
Try a barn.
This one?
Yeah, and then you move one. This board is weird.
Hey. Hey.
How the heck you get 2, 6, 1?
Like this. Look again. Hey.
Board is rigged. What's
1,
happening here?
2, 3, 4.
I'm done.
Exactly.
Oh, go on.
Listen, it's cutthroat. This is not happening. Look at me going get 1-1. And some foolishness.
Alright, see with them.
Finally. Thank you, friend.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Man, I start. No 6.
What the hell is this?
Come, you're true.
Sorcery.
You know, I should stop my man when I get the 6 in it.
Why are you outside? No, she's not outside.
All 4 men are out running.
6 and 3. 6 and 3.
So where you start? Here or
This.
And then 3.
Thank you. And I needed some spice.
Yeah, yes. Yes, friend.
Yes. It's like
Listen, we're killing everything.
everywhere.
So until everybody
No, 4S.
No, move 4S.
You need to go around the board to come in here. So once you reach
So move
here,
either one of these or both. 4.
4S.
No.
What are you doing?
This way.
You're
This
going
way.
all the way around the board to come here.
So go now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Or you could have moved S with this one.
So you're coming all the way around.
So go here.
The first one was mine.
And you can't.
Yeah.
And you can't kill any of those.
You can't kill anybody.
Anybody over there.
Any of those.
Anybody at all.
Only that
Alright.
one.
It's the score at the end. At the end. At the end.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where are you?
Hey, I be a teeth when I go on there, son. No. My youth, stop telling me. Look how she kill. No, look how they kill me. I broke piece of my man. Look there. Fling it off of the board again.
5-3. 5 that dead.
Do this. Yo, yo!
Listen, stop telling people how to kill people now.
It's alright.
Yeah, we keep
Police must have been on the way. Police must have been on the highway here.
all over the social.
Police must have
Stop telling people how to kill people.
Alright. We're not checking over that again.
No move for
Drive
you.
with the curse.
No, she have too much fun.
This is noise.
Watch it. I'm there double share run with another
You
straight
realize
run.
that she is pro at this game. You see the way she throws the dice?
Come,
You
go
not
on.
realize how she throws the dice? Just do it right up.
New game. Uno, the emoji edition. I remember how to play it now. When I want to play a game, I just want to. Jenga! We can do it on that.
We can play Jenga.
You can play?
I remember this one line though.
There's a wind blowing. There's a wind blowing. Not playing Jenga right now.
I'm not going to play the game.
I'm surprised that game is going to turn it off. It's not like some bag of like they do. That's all.
We're going through the wilderness. We're going through the woods. We're trying to find a path to righteousness. So we're going through the woods. Ooh, look, there's a path up there. Oh, no. I guess people usually sit there. And then, look, we come out to brighter days. And look who's over here flying the drone. Ow! No, like the thing. The rock. Juki. I made it.
Nice, what's it?
I made it.
Hola.
Oh, look, there it is. Wait, I can't see it with this. Oh, there it is. There it is. So guys, I'm home now. Camera battery died earlier and you know couldn't get to film anymore. Phone battery was dying also, couldn't get to film on that, so ended up just enjoying the rest of the day. And then I got home not too long ago, get dressed, and I'm heading back on the road because I'm going to see a play with my grandma. So I'm actually in a little bit of a hurry because play starts at 8. It's 7:30 now and I need to go and pick her up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed today's festivities, a day out with my friends, you know. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Remember to follow me on all social media platforms, and again, thank you so much. See you next week, same time ish for another video. Remember, I'm posting every Wednesday moving forward, and then I'll have a bonus video on some Fridays, but you can definitely look out for a video on Wednesday. So anyways, later, you guys see my gray hair, there's a tutorial on this, so look out for that, or if it's already posted, it will be in the description of this video.